Now that we've checked out the deluxe penthouse suite on Explorer 1, let's take things up a notch with the grand penthouse suite. Bigger, more luxurious, and packed with extras. This suite ranges from 646 to 732 square feet and can host up to 3 adults or 2 adults and 2 kids under 18, thanks to the sofa that converts to an extra bed. Let's start with the bathroom. It's sleek, stylish, and designed for relaxation. You've got your heated floors, a spacious vanity, and premium bath products. And this suite has a combination of a rain shower and soaking tub, while others may have just a walk-in shower. Either way, it's a spa-like experience right in your suite. Next up, the walk-in closet. This space is huge with plenty of room to unpack and get organized. And here's your seated vanity area, perfect for getting ready. And of course, you've got your Dyson hairdryer and a well-lit mirror to help you look your best. Now, on to the main living space. The bedroom features a comfy king-size bed with fine linens and plush pillows. Moving into the lounge area, there's a large sofa that pulls out into a bed. It's great if you have extra guests or kids. The dining table seats 4, which is perfect for in-suite meals, so you can enjoy dining without even leaving your room. Finally, the terrace. This is where you'll get those breathtaking ocean views. There's a dining area and your chaise and plenty of space to relax, whether you're sipping morning coffee or enjoying a sunset drink. And that's a wrap on the Grand Penthouse Suite. If you love extra space and added comfort, this might be the suite for you. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.